Welcome investors! Today we are going to be talking about the oil prices and the cuts in the oil production which was announced by OPEC on April 2nd. OPEC announced that they are going to cut around 3.66 million barrels per day. This is big. This can cause oil price to go up around $10 per barrel. So today we're going to be talking about this, if higher oil prices are going to cause more inflation or if they will help combat inflation. Also, in the end of this video, I will reveal to you my Marathon holdings and Schlumberger holdings. All those companies are in oil industry. One of them is up 364%. So stay to the end of this video to see how this company is performing for me after almost 2 years. Okay, so let's start with higher oil prices because of the oil production cuts announced by OPEC Plus on April 2nd. So the higher oil prices will cause interest rates to go up, and it will delay any rate cuts, possible rate cuts in the future, which Fed was planning to do. So the higher oil prices can cause higher inflation because the cost of transporting the goods is going to go up, because most of the goods are transported by the trucks fueled by the gasoline or oil. So this will add to the price of the goods, and we will have the higher prices and we'll have the higher inflation. This will cause that the job of Fed is going to be much harder because everything will go up. Price of oil go up, this will add to the price of final price for the products. But on another side, you have another scenario, that if the price of oil goes up, then consumers are going to spend less for anything what they were planning to buy. Because if they have to pay more for gasoline, then they will have much less money for anything else what they were planning to buy. They will think twice before they buy this new TV, before they buy this new car, or before they buy this new house. This can actually cause inflation to stop. It is fighting the inflation at its core. It is the reducing demand. By higher oil prices, leaving less money in consumers' pockets. So what do you think? What the higher oil prices will cause? Are they going to cause inflation to go up, or they are going to cause the inflation to go down? Which way do you think the economy around the world is going to go? And like I said, I would like to show you my Marathon Petroleum holdings, which are 364% up. All the companies from oil industry are doing exceptionally well. I have really small holding of this company, but it is the company which is doing really the best in my entire portfolio. Another company from the oil industry, it's Schlumberger, which is also up 173%. Is doing exceptionally well. So those two companies are one of the best performing companies in my portfolio. I own very small holdings in those companies. Recently, I liquidated my entire Vanguard Energy Fund and I transfer all the funds towards S&P 500 Index Fund, because I came to the conclusions that oil industry, it's near at its peak, and it's not going to go 20, 30, 40 or 50% up during next couple years. So that was the time for me to transfer all those funds to something which is very stable, very secure for many years to come, which is index fund, S&P 500 index fund. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section below, what do you think the higher oil prices are going to cause? Are they going to cause higher inflation? Or maybe they will help to combat inflation by reducing the demand? I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for being with me here. I really appreciate your time. And like always, stay healthy and well.